Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add a heading on Google Docs. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to add a heading on Google Docs. When you are on Google Docs, select the text that you want to add a heading. For example, this one, tips to help you lose weight. Then just highlight it, and then you see here normal text styles. Just click on it and then select the style you want. For example, heading 1, or it's okay, title. Then click apply title. Yeah, it's done. This is what you need to do if you want to know how to add a heading on Google Docs. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.